This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Flywheel Locking Tool. This special tool is used to lock the flywheel in its place while removing or fitting various components in engine such as timing chain, flywheel and clutch assembly. During use, one end of this tool is fitted on cylinder block and the other end is used to hold the flywheel ring to prevent it from rotating. Using flywheel locking tool for removal of components. To use this tool for removal of components, for example flywheel, insert the locating pin of the special tool on the cylinder block as shown. Install the other part of special tool on the pin and tighten it securely in such a way that it locks the flywheel firmly. While removing the components, the locking part of tool should be kept on the upper side so that it prevents the anti-clockwise rotation of flywheel. Now loosen the mounting bolts using an appropriate tool. Remove the special tool. The flywheel can now be removed from the engine. Using flywheel locking tool for installation of components. To use this tool for installation of components, for example flywheel, align the guide pin given on the crankshaft with the guide hole given in the flywheel. Install all the bolts of the flywheel by hand. Install the special tool in such a way that it locks the flywheel firmly. The locking part of tool should be kept on the lower side so that it prevents the clockwise rotation of flywheel. Now, tighten the mounting bolts of the component using appropriate tools to the specified torque. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to lock the flywheel for quick and easy removal or installation of various components of engine. This saves time and avoids damage to the flywheel teeth, which can happen by use of a screwdriver to lock it. This tool also helps to tighten the components at specified torque, which ensures the trouble-free operation of components.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.